Have you ever wondered if humans could live on Mars? A question that has sparked the curiosity of many, fueling a fascination with the red planet. In our quest for knowledge and exploration, Mars has always stood out as a tantalizing possibility for human habitation. The recent surge in interest by space agencies worldwide, from NASA to SpaceX, is no coincidence. It's driven by the enormous scientific advancements that have made the once unthinkable a tangible reality. From rovers roaming the Martian surface, collecting invaluable data, to groundbreaking technologies that could potentially sustain human life on Mars. Our understanding of Mars, its climate, its potential resources, and its stark differences and similarities to Earth is growing every day. This knowledge propels us forward, pushing the boundaries of our capabilities and challenging what we once thought was possible. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, the question remains, could we make Mars our second home? To answer that question, we need to compare our home planet, Earth, with Mars. So let's dive into the fascinating world of planetary science. Let's start with the similarities. Both Earth and Mars share a similar axial tilt, meaning they have a comparable cycle of seasons. On Mars, you'd see winters and summers, just like we have here on Earth. Another shared trait is the length of a day. A Martian day, or sol, is only about 40 minutes longer than an Earth day. So, you wouldn't need to adjust your watch too much if you were to visit Mars. And did you know that both planets have polar ice caps? Mars' icy poles are a frosty mix of water ice and dry ice, that is, frozen carbon dioxide. But it's not all familiar territory. Mars is significantly smaller than Earth and has a much thinner atmosphere, which is mainly composed of carbon dioxide. This thin atmosphere means Mars has a much colder average temperature than Earth, dipping as low as -80 degrees Celsius in winter. Brrr, that's chilly. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, water. Earth is a blue planet teeming with liquid water. Mars, on the other hand, is a barren desert world. While it's believed that Mars once had flowing water, today, any water that remains is either frozen in the polar ice caps or buried beneath the surface as permafrost. These factors, the thin atmosphere, colder temperatures, and lack of liquid water, would pose significant challenges to human life on Mars. We would need to develop technology to provide breathable air, warmth, and water. But hey, we're a species that loves a challenge, right? So, what does this all mean for the possibility of us setting up shop on Mars? Well, despite its harsh conditions, Mars's similarities to Earth make it the most viable option for human exploration and potential habitation in our solar system. Despite the differences, the similarities between Earth and Mars make the red planet a prime candidate for human exploration and potential habitation. But how would we get to Mars in the first place? This question has fueled the imagination of scientists and engineers worldwide. The answer lies in the evolution of spacecraft technology. From the early days of space exploration, we've seen significant advancements in rocket technology. The Apollo missions, the Space Shuttle program, and now, the rise of private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have all contributed to this evolution. The spacecraft of the future will require more than just speed and durability. They need to be sustainable. This means using resources efficiently and reducing waste. But it's not just about the hardware, it's about the software too. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing crucial roles in spacecraft navigation and system management. Ongoing research and development are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Engineers are creating spacecraft that could potentially transport humans to Mars, making the red planet more accessible than ever before. While the journey will be challenging, humanity's drive to explore makes the idea of reaching Mars an exciting possibility. So, can we really call Mars our second home? This may sound like a question from a science fiction novel, but it's a reality we're inching closer to every day. We've explored the intriguing similarities between Mars and Earth, the potential for life, and the spacecraft that could bridge the gap between the two planets. Yet, as we've discussed, living on Mars is not without its challenges. The harsh climate, the lack of oxygen, and the vast distance from Earth are all significant hurdles. But we humans are nothing if not resourceful. Scientists are hard at work devising potential solutions, from terraforming projects to advanced life support systems. The ongoing research into making Mars more habitable is a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. It's a grand endeavor, a testament to our unyielding spirit, and a step towards our potential future as an interplanetary species. While we still have much to learn, the possibility of living on Mars continues to captivate our imagination. The next chapter of human exploration is just on the horizon.